Is Eddington a good film? Well, define good. This story takes place in May of 2020 during a time that was not controversial at all. This is a standoff between a small town sheriff and a mayor played by Joaquin Phoenix and Pedro Pascal. This is a very different project compared to Ari Aster's previous films, where this one feels a bit more grounded. It is a straight up comedy for majority of the film. To speak positively, I really enjoyed the last hour, but oh my god, it took an hour and 30 minutes for the film to actually kind of do something for me. Not to bash on Joaquin Phoenix, because I think he does a great job in this film, I just didn't find his character that interesting. They also waste Emma Stone and Austin Butler in this. Ari Aster shines as a director when he taps into the weird factor with his films, and he does do that in the last half of the film. It just comes a bit too late. This movie has a lot of ideas, and when you do that, you have to really stick with a couple and then try to make it feel impactful. And when I walked away from this film, I really wasn't impacted.